Hello guys, so I want to break down trade that I took today on NQ using the power hour strategy. So this strategy only works at 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At this time you want to see a high volume doji candle, and since we are above the VWAP, we're only looking for buys. After you see this doji candle, you want to see a flat buy candle with no wicks underneath it. As soon as you see this candle pushing, you want to hop in it and then set your stop loss underneath it and just hold the trade for 5 minutes. That's it. After 5 minutes, you just close it. Sometimes it gives you like crazy risk to reward, like 1 to 6. You can see 1 to 10 risk to reward. It's really crazy. Backtest it, see how it goes with you. If you need any help with it, just ask me. I'm gonna help you. Thank you for watching.